Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 F-450 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-450 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, dual rear wheels. Come take a test drive today.